Hi, I'm Dan with Cali, and today we're going to show you how to install the 4th gen long bed rock sliders. For tools, you're going to need a ratchet wrench, M17 socket, and an M12 socket. For the top plates, you're either going to need a 7/16 socket and a 5/32 Allen key, or a 1/2 inch socket with a 3/16 Allen key. For hardware, we've got 22 M10 bolts and 22 M10 washers. So before you go ahead and put this on the frame of your truck, you want to remove some plastic clips that are on the frame of the truck. So go ahead and use a screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to remove those before installing the rock slider. So I've already laid the rock slider where I want it to do the installation. I'm using a jack stand on the back end to hold it up, and then I'm going to lift up the front end on my own and thread in the 2 front holes with the 2 M10s with the washers already installed. I've already installed the top plate. If you have the bed liner, you're going to be using 1/4 inch hardware. If you are using the powder coated version, you are going to be using 5/16. So the front 2 holes are right here. These are the 2 threaded portions on the frame. You're going to stick your 2 M10s through the front frame plate and into those holes. Now that I've got the 2 front bolts lightly threaded, I'm going to go to the rear and do the rear 2. Now that we have the front 2 bolts loosely threaded, we're going to go ahead and mount the rear plate, do the same thing, and then we're going to slowly work our way from rear to front to get those bolts in, and then we'll tighten it all down. So to prep for installing the passenger side, we're going to need to take the grounding cable out. So you're going to use a M12 socket to pull this out. And then I've already done this, but you're going to remove the plastic clips on this side of the frame as well. And then you're going to take this wire and tuck it up on top of the frame so it's out of the way. And we're going to lift the rock slider up, mount the front 2 bolts, go to the rear, do the same thing to the rear, and then we'll install the rest of the bolts. that's how you install the 4th gen long bed Tacoma rock sliders. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as visiting CaliRaisedLED.com to get more awesome products like these.